Good afternoon, everyone present here. I'm Neha Pandey. I'm pursuing my PhD from Central University of Jharkhand. I'm in my initial stage, that is, I'm doing my coursework. And I don't think so I need to discuss about CSR and definition and everything because professor has already said everything. Then I'm jumping to my objectives of the study. Before objectives, I'd like to say that I stay in Ranchi, and during last 5 or 6 years, I've been hearing from many people that Jindal Steel Plant in Patratu has changed the location completely. Like once it was undeveloped society, basically tribal belt, and now because of their initiative through CSR activities, that area has been changed completely. And one more thing, in internet, through newspaper, we got to read news about Jindal Steel Plant activities. But as yesterday we were discussing about ethics, no, because after the advent of internet, that the gate picking, that gate model has been diminished actually, because nobody is there, no one is there to stop you. You want anything, you can publish there. So basically to find out that whether what JSPL is promoting through social networking sites, through internet, through newspaper, like okay, we are doing this kind of activity, is actually happening or not. So I chose JSPL as my organization, and the method is case study. Then data collection is both primary and secondary. Primary, I went to that Patratu region in nearby Jharkhand in Ranchi and observed people, had a group discussion with people of community and society. Then for secondary data, I collected material from internet. I had got PDF from the office of JSPL, which is in Ranchi. Like they had released a PDF of all the activities they had done during last year related to CSR. So I compared basically both what I had observed in the field and what I got through them. So these are the areas in which the JSPL plant, that is Jindal Steel Plant, has been doing their activities: health, education, livelihood, infrastructure development, livestock, sport, art and culture, welfare and environment. Now, activities which are undertaken during under health category, like every month JSPL has been organizing health camps among tribal people, villages, communities. Patients are being diagnosed and basically simple medicines are being provided to them. Then since area where people are living is very remote place, so they are not having facility of ambulance and all, so JSPL is providing when they need. Then blood donation camp, no, during 6 months, 1 year they are organizing. Then operation of cataract. Then PAHAL is a population stabilization program, that is they are conducting this program with collaboration with government of Jharkhand. Then as we know that in rural areas people are not much aware about hygiene and all, so they are awareing people like what we should do, what we should not related to their health. Then drinking water and sanitation is one of the major problem people are facing in rural areas. So they are providing bleaching powder and all, how to potable water. Then about education, they are running institutions like few schools are there, colleges are there. Then they are also providing fellowship and scholarships. Then in schools where teachers, like manpower of teachers lacking, they are providing teacher from their side. Like I had observed, I went to schools, then 4 teachers are being provided by JS School to that school sort of.